Hello, I am Rahish. Today I am discussing about the fastest asteroid of our solar system. On August 13th, 2021, astronomers at the Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory in Chile spotted an asteroid. This asteroid was a new one. This asteroid is designated as 2021 PS27, and this is the fastest asteroid in our solar system. The asteroid was discovered by the Dark Energy Camera (DEC) on the Victor M. Blonso 4-meter telescope of the Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory, Chile. The astronomers were able to determine the asteroid's orbit using a number of follow-up observations using telescopes at Chile as well as South Africa, all of which are operated by the Las Cumbrias Observatory. And when its orbit was determined, it became clear that it is in fact the fastest asteroid in the solar system. The asteroid completes one orbit of Sun in 113 days. That seems a long time, but Earth takes 365 days to complete one orbit around Sun. This is the second shortest time after Mercury, which orbits Sun in 88 days. But 2021 PS27's orbit is much more elliptical than Mercury's orbit. Hence, it's much more faster. The elliptical orbit takes it much closer to the Sun than Mercury. At closest approach, it reaches 20 million kilometers, which is equal to 2 crore kilometers from Sun, as against Mercury's 47 million kilometers, which is equal to 4 crore 70 lakh kilometers at the closest approach. This proximity to our host star takes the temperatures on this asteroid surface to an estimated 500 degrees centigrade, enough to melt lead. This highly elliptical orbit also puts the asteroid under the largest effects of general relativity in our solar system, which can be seen in a small wobble in the asteroid's orbit. This orbit is also the reason why it was unseen by now, because the sun's brightness makes it difficult to see asteroids. The origin of this asteroid is rather mysterious. It could have been from the asteroid belt, and then, after gravitational effects from other planets, it could have been sended into its current orbit. But its orbit also have a 32-degree inclination, which can be explained by a comet from the outer solar system. The comet might have had some gravitational interactions from inner planets, which might have sent this asteroid into its current orbit. The answer can only be found by follow-up observations, which can be conducted by early 2022 at the earliest, because the asteroid is now behind the Sun. Even if we are not sure about 2021 PS27's origin, but its conclusion is much clearer. Its orbit is not stable, and thus in future it will hit Mercury, Venus, Sun, or it could be ejected from its current orbit. This 1 kilometer wide space rock is another reminder that we have just begun to unravel the mysteries of our solar system. Thanks for watching my video.